In this video, we'll walk through the auto delete settings in BuddyBoss. These settings help automatically remove old notification data in the background, keeping your BuddyBoss database lean and improving long-term site performance. Let's get started. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then go to BuddyBoss, Settings, Tools Auto Delete. The notifications section lets you automatically delete old notifications based on how long they've been stored. These cleanup rules run once a day using WordPress cron, so they never affect page load performance. First is read notifications. Enable this option to automatically delete notifications that members have already opened. Since they've already been viewed, they're generally safe to remove sooner. Choose how long to keep them before they're deleted. Then select whether that period is measured in days, weeks, months, or years. Next is unread notifications. These are notifications members haven't opened yet, so you'll typically want to keep them for a longer period before deleting them. Configure the retention period using the same time options. Once you've finished configuring both rules, click Save Changes to apply your settings. You'll also notice a Messages section. This feature is planned for a future release and will provide automatic cleanup for old private messages and message threads. And that's how you configure the auto delete settings in BuddyBoss. These settings help keep your notification data organized while reducing unnecessary database growth over time.